Living in Washington, D.C. comes with numerous perks: the vibrancy of the city, proximity to cultural landmarks, and the convenience of urban living. However, one downside is the constant noise, whether it's traffic, construction, or the hum of city life. As a homeowner, constant noise can quickly become a nuisance, affecting your peace and quiet, sleep quality, and overall well-being. One effective solution to reduce outside noise is replacing your old windows with modern, noise-reducing options. Here's how replacement windows can significantly enhance the comfort of your home by blocking out unwanted noise. Understanding the impact of outside noise. Washington, D.C. is known for its bustling streets, busy intersections, and thriving metropolitan life. If your home is located near a busy road, a school, or a commercial area, outside noise can become an everyday inconvenience. Even if you live in a quieter neighborhood, noise from construction, traffic, or outdoor events can still find its way inside, disrupting your comfort. Long-term exposure to excessive noise can lead to increased stress levels, poor sleep, and a decrease in your overall quality of life. That's where noise-reducing windows come in. By upgrading to new, high-performance windows, you can drastically reduce the amount of noise entering your home, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful environment. How replacement windows block out noise. Modern replacement windows are specifically designed to improve insulation, both for temperature and sound. The main way that new windows reduce noise is through the glass and frame construction. Here's how. Double or triple pane glass. Most modern replacement windows come with double pane or triple pane glass, which features 2 or 3 layers of glass separated by an insulating gas, usually argon or krypton. These extra layers of glass and gas act as a barrier to sound waves, preventing them from traveling through the window. The air or gas between the glass panes acts as an insulating buffer, which helps absorb sound vibrations before they reach your home. In fact, the thicker the glass and the more panes you have, the better the window will be at blocking outside noise. Triple pane windows, for example, are especially effective in reducing high-frequency noises like traffic and street chatter, making them ideal for homes in busy areas of Washington, D.C. Laminated glass. Another popular choice for soundproofing windows is laminated glass. This type of glass features a thin layer of plastic between 2 panes of glass, which helps absorb and dampen sound. Laminated glass is particularly useful for blocking mid to high frequency noise, such as honking horns or voices from nearby street corners. This makes it an excellent choice for homeowners who want a quieter living space, especially if they're near busy urban areas. Laminated windows also have the added benefit of enhancing security because they're harder to break, making them a 2-in-1 solution for both noise reduction and improved safety. Better seals and frames for soundproofing. In addition to the glass itself, the window frame and the seal around the window are critical components in blocking out noise. Old, poorly sealed windows often have gaps around the frame, allowing noise to easily enter your home. Modern replacement windows are designed to have tight seals and durable frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials that don't warp or shrink over time. These tight seals prevent sound from leaking through gaps, further enhancing the window's noise-blocking capabilities. High-quality, energy-efficient frames not only improve your home's insulation but also play a significant role in blocking external noise. The better the seal, the less sound can penetrate your home, creating a more tranquil indoor environment. Improved comfort and sleep quality. A quieter home means a more comfortable and relaxing living environment. If you live in a noisy part of Washington, replacing your windows with noise-reducing options can have a profound impact on your daily life. With less noise infiltrating your home, you can enjoy more restful sleep, concentrate better, and generally experience less stress. For people working from home or those with young children, having a quiet, distraction-free environment is especially beneficial. In fact, studies have shown that excessive noise exposure can lead to health issues like sleep disturbances, higher blood pressure, and decreased cognitive function. By upgrading to soundproof windows, you can take a proactive step toward safeguarding your health and well-being. Energy efficiency and noise reduction combine. One of the added benefits of replacing your windows to reduce noise is the improvement in energy efficiency. Noise-reducing windows typically come with insulating properties that help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Double and triple pane windows, for instance, are excellent at keeping heat inside during the winter and blocking heat from entering during the summer. This leads to reduced reliance on your heating and cooling systems, which, in turn, can lower your energy bills. So not only will you have a quieter home, but you'll also enjoy the added benefit of lower energy costs, making the investment in replacement windows even more worthwhile. Increased home value and marketability. In Washington, D.C., where property values are competitive, having soundproof windows can make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Noise reduction is a desirable feature, especially for those who may be moving from quieter areas or who work from home and require a more peaceful environment. By installing noise-reducing windows, you're investing in your home's long-term value, making it more appealing and comfortable for future buyers. Final thoughts. If you're dealing with persistent outside noise in your Washington home, upgrading to replacement windows is a smart solution that can significantly enhance your quality of life. Modern windows with double or triple pane glass, laminated glass, and improved frames can block out unwanted noise, offering you a quieter, more comfortable living space. Along with the noise reduction, new windows also improve energy efficiency, increase security, and add value to your home. If you're ready to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home, it's time to consider replacement windows. Consult with a trusted window installer to explore your options and start transforming your Washington home into the sanctuary you deserve.